if God had given me a voice.
I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Lazy Sunday, thinking maybe, don't you wanna spend some time? Been so patient, like I've been waiting 40 days and 40 nights. I've got a confession and a craving for you, babe. I just don't want you to become another mistake.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is a nice early Saturday morning. I'm just gonna sit here and ice roll for a little while before I get up and go walking with my friend. I wanted to go on this trail, the Katy Trail that's here in Texas. I've heard so much about it. Like, so many people are like, I'm going to go walk the Katy Trail. And so I wanted to go on that trail, and I was telling him about it, but me not knowing where it is, he's like, let me just take you on one of the trails that I know. Like, let me take you on my trail. I have no idea where it is, so if you don't see me for a while, call for help. It's gonna be fine. So he's picking me up around 9:30. So I'm sitting here drinking my juice, trying to get my life together, because of course, I stayed up late last night. Not like I was a responsible adult and went to bed early or anything. But so I woke up looking a little puffy, a little like life had happened to me or something. So I'm definitely gonna sit here and enjoy this ice rolling. I didn't think that I would like ice rolling for the simple fact that it's cold and I don't like the cold. But man, and I didn't think that I would really see a difference. Like, I just thought it was, not gonna lie, just something to do, a little trend. And a friend of mine even asked about it. They were like, I've been seeing people, and I think people meant me, do this thing on their face. And so of course I gave the details of what it's supposed to do, like help with wrinkles, help with inflammation, and you know, all of this good stuff. But after consistent use, like just three times, like I saw a huge change in my skin. Like, it feels like butter, silk, baby's butt. It makes a huge difference. And then when you apply your skincare after you've done it, so usually what I do is I wake up and I do my ice rolling while I'm drinking my juice and doing my Bible app prayer and scripture. And then I work out and take a shower and do my skincare. Even then, I can tell a huge difference in the texture of my skin. So this is the first time where I actually did my skincare first and then decided to ice roll. So we're gonna see. I'm sure it's gonna be the same results, but I'm also thinking that this is helping penetrate the skincare into my skin. So that's always a bonus. But I'm going to go get ready because he's usually an on-time person and I hate being late. So, and then I hate people waiting on me. It just drives me crazy. So I'm going to get ready, and anything else that I have to do, I'm just going to do it until he arrives. And we're off. I have Stanley, I have some more pre-workout, I have some cookies that he likes to eat. I don't like this flavor, so we're off to a good start. I'm not gonna get you in my video.
Sorry, good.
You said that last time, and then you were like, I don't want anything.
No,
That's your thing. Ladies and gentlemen, we're outside. It's cold, even though he says it's not that cold. It's definitely cold. Put my little hat on, cover my ears. They have other people out here with hats and earmuffs on.
Yeah.
It's cold. Eyes are watering. Okay, so one thing about walking with me, I'm tall, my strides are long. My friends who decide to go walking and want to walk with me are usually shorter, which means that their strides are short, but then complain that I'm walking too fast. I'm just walking regular. Come here to just like lollygag. Like, we're not just out here looking at no, this is like a walk. We have to be purposeful, intentional.
Right.
So you gotta get like a rhythm.
Walking lets you know everything about your body. Lets you know about your shoes. If you need more shoes.
Better shoes. Did you stretch enough?
Right.
Drink more water. Your back hurt. We're done. It's a good 30-minute-er. A nice little walk and trail. What are we gonna do next?
Stretch again, and then
You people
get
who
breakfast.
stretch. You stretchers. It's sort of what I need in my life. I just don't do it. I feel like I want a high after I work out, so it's like I want to ride the high and not waste it on a stretch. Just stretch tomorrow when you're hella sore. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. People got it wrong. Do it like the next day. Don't take my advice.
And you go like that.
Yeah, I don't have a big knee.
You don't have a good knee? What you do to your knee?
I play volleyball.
You know when you come to knees, I'm just like, okay.
Volleyball players don't have good knees.
See, oh, you stretching better on this side. So right there, you know.
It's like, don't you do it no more. That's it. So we have a change of plans. I am now going to meet my friend who is in town for 3 hours on her way to New Orleans. I am meeting her and her boo thing, and we're just going to grab some lunch because it's been a while since we've seen each other. And we're just going to chop it up at Chop Shop, and then we're probably going to go and actually get breakfast because I think we had our hearts set on breakfast food. But I couldn't miss this opportunity to connect with my friend. That couple with the same bag, matching bags.
What happened was,
Actually took a picture.
Yes, I was serious. So I didn't get any footage from our meetup. I mean, it was just a lot going on, but overall, it was a good time. And then we went across the street and had breakfast. This sandwich was so good. And then for dessert, I had a nice warm cinnamon roll. But the star of the show are these pancakes, nice, fluffy, cooked to perfection.
Let me get a
And then, of
venti
course, we finish it off
vanilla
with
sweet
Starbucks.
cream cold brew. Well, thank you. All right.
All right, so I made it back. The walk was nice. The trail was nice. There were a lot of people out there. It was cold, so I'm glad that I layered up and I brought my hat. And then, like I said, we went to go meet my friend, catch up with her, I met her guy, and then we went to a place called Corner Bakery to eat lunch, brunch, basically lunch. But I feel hungry again. I don't know if it's because I only ate that one meal and my body's like, you need to catch up. But I might go in the kitchen and find a snack. And then my intention is to watch a movie, but the movie might watch me. So we'll see. And I think I'm going to try and do a game night. But like I said, that just depends on the energy that I have. So we'll see how that goes. So obviously I did not go to the game night. So honestly, part of me wanted to go and then part of me didn't want to go. I think that part of me wanted to be out and get out the house. And then the other part of me was like, oh no, new people, I don't know them. And maybe I shouldn't go. Like the total introvert of me, right? But now looking at it, I'm like, I probably should have gone just to get out the house, if anything. You live and you learn, and now I know next time to just not really listen to that inner voice inside and just do what I know I need to do. And I'm probably going to have to ask like my friends to help me with that. Like, you know what? If I say no, just force me to go, basically. Like, I'm going to just need someone to force me to put on clothes and go be out in this world, because the inner me is always going to say no. Like, I'm just being honest. I'm going to want to say no. If it has to deal with like new people or something I've never done before, the inner scared me is going to say no. And I know that the only way to work through that is to just start saying yes. Because why wouldn't I like game night? It's game night. I'm great at games. I kill game night. The enemy said no, but so I decided to do something that actually makes me a little happy, and that's skincare. Also, I need to do skincare because my skin has not been skinning. Like, it has been breaking out ever since I came back from DC. It was like, oh, you want to go on vacation. You want to stay a couple of extra days. Let me teach you not to do that no more. So it has had some breakouts. Good thing it's still like soft and glowing, at least in my opinion, but the breakouts are killing me. So I use this mask whenever it does do breakouts. This is a vitamin C Gleamer mask. I love this mask. I keep it in my little mini skincare fridge. applying it cold to your face feels so good. But I find that it helps with like drying up the little pimples, and of course it helps with dark spots and helps brighten your skin. So I absolutely love this mask. It's not sponsored, even though I wish it was. Also, while I'm here, last time I was telling you I was trying that Smile Direct whitening strips, and although I believe that they are working, I haven't quite mastered like how to put them on. Like the top row, it's great. I put those on great. But something about this bottom row when I place it, it like sticks to my finger. It sticks to the middle of my, or it sticks to the inside of my lip. Like the dissolving is not as bad as I thought. It still whitens because I still like play around with it to keep the gel on my teeth. But still, like I haven't gotten the knack for it. And to be honest, because of that, I haven't been doing it like consistently for the 7 days. But I'm determined, because I bought it, to use it consistently and figure it out, because I refuse to be defeated. I will say this, if you get the gleaming mask, use a towel that you kind of don't care about to take it off. Because I don't care how much cleaning you do, it's not coming off. Like this yellow stains. So with that, my friends, I'm going to call it a night. I am probably going to pour me some wine, relax the rest of the evening, and I hope that you have enjoyed this kind of a day in the life vlog that I decided to do. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Talk to you later.